So all the COVID vaccines, when they have to go through clinical trials, 3 questions needs to be answered. One is it safe? That we are giving to totally normal healthy people, would it cause any side effects? And are these side effects mild, moderate or severe? Second is whether it is producing the desired immunity. And third and most important is the efficacy, that once you get injected with the vaccine, does it prevent infection from happening? So all the vaccines which have been approved by government has passed these 3 tests: the safety, efficacy and the immunogenicity. Let's talk about Covishield first. In 3 trials which have been randomized controlled trials, 26,000 patients have participated. It is found that the incidence of mild adverse effects is not different from the control arm, which does not have the vaccine. Mild side effects noted have been little redness on the injection site, pain, mild fever, body aches or chills. Secondly, there is a concern about the neurological disorder, transverse myelitis. So 1 incidence of transverse myelitis have been observed, but the causal relationship with the vaccine has not been observed. So let us talk about Covaxin now. 24,000 candidates have been injected with the vaccine. The side effects have not been different from the control arm, and all the subjects which have been injected with the vaccine have developed antibodies. It is presumed that patients who develop antibodies will have immunity against the virus. The efficacy data for these trials are soon to be released, but we presume that the antibodies are protective antibodies and it will be effective in preventing infection. I've got myself vaccinated because I believe in science. I believe in the safety and efficacy of the vaccine. And I believe vaccination is the most effective way of preventing any infection and terminating this pandemic. But this is not the only way. Continue to observe COVID appropriate behavior even when you have been vaccinated. Stay away from rumors and misinformations. Consult authentic sites for information. Thank you.